Microsoft is not just launching another AI admin tool. It is drawing a line around a problem companies created before they were ready for it. Rogue AI agents running inside the business. Here's the part that matters. Employees are no longer just installing random apps. They are connecting AI agents to code, tickets, email, customer records, internal docs, and sometimes back-end systems. And those agents can act. They can fetch data. They can trigger workflows. They can pass instructions to other tools. That is useful. It is also a security team's nightmare. VentureBeat reports that Microsoft has taken Agent 365 out of preview and made it generally available. The pitch is simple. Give companies one control plane where IT can see, govern, and secure AI agents, whether they live in Microsoft's ecosystem, AWS Bedrock, Google Cloud, SaaS apps, or even on an employee laptop. But the dramatic part is not the product name. It is the phrase Microsoft is using, Shadow AI. Think about Shadow IT, but with more autonomy. In the old version, someone used an unsanctioned file sharing app. Annoying, risky, but familiar. In the new version, someone wires up an agent that can read a support queue, query a database, summarize private documents, and take action using a person's permissions. Suddenly, the question is not, who installed this app? It is, what did this agent touch? Who gave it permission? And can we stop it before it does something expensive? Microsoft's David Weston gave VentureBeat 3 examples that explain why this is moving from theory to panic. First, developers connecting MCP servers to sensitive backend systems, then accidentally exposing them to the internet without authentication. That can leak private data. Second, cross-prompt injection, where attackers hide malicious instructions inside tickets, websites, or wikis that an agent reads. The agent thinks it is following context. Really, it is following the attacker. Third, old data loss systems that simply do not understand agent behavior, so sensitive information can flow to vendors or tools that were never supposed to see it. That is the conflict. Employees want speed, developers want automation, teams want the AI helper right now. But security teams need a registry, permissions, audit logs, and kill switches. Microsoft is betting that the winning company in this next phase is not the one with the flashiest agent. It is the one that owns the control layer. Agent 365 is priced at $15 per user per month as a standalone product, or bundled into Microsoft 365 E7, and the pricing detail is revealing. Microsoft is not charging per agent because agent counts can explode. It is charging around the humans who manage, sponsor, or use them. In plain English, if AI agents become part of office life, governance becomes another Microsoft tax on the workplace. Who wins? Microsoft, obviously. If companies decide the agent mess needs a Microsoft-shaped dashboard, security teams also win, because they finally get visibility into tools that were becoming invisible. Who loses? Rogue tools, half-approved experiments, and any team that thought it's just a little agent was a good enough security policy. Also, employees may discover that the era of quietly bringing your own AI assistant to work is ending fast. The awkward bit is that Microsoft is probably right about the risk. AI agents are not normal software. They are software with delegated intent. If they can read, decide, and act, then companies need to know where they are, what they can access, and how to shut them down. So the real headline is not Agent 365 is generally available. The real headline is this: the AI agent boom just created its own surveillance and control market. And Microsoft wants to own the front door. If you run a team, the takeaway is blunt. Before you celebrate agents saving time, make a list of where they can act, what data they can reach, and who can revoke them. Because the most dangerous AI in your company may not be the most powerful one. It may be the one nobody knows is already running.